Understanding, in measure, balance in life and language. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning channel, where we aim to break down English phrases and idioms to make them easy to understand for learners worldwide. Today, we're looking at a rather curious phrase, in measure. This phrase can be quite versatile, and understanding it will add a level of sophistication to your English usage. So, let's get started and explore what this phrase means and how you can use it in your everyday conversation. In measure is a phrase that means to do something with moderation and restraint or within reasonable limits. The word measure here symbolizes a standard or degree of something. When something is done in measure, it is done not excessively, but within a balanced and controlled manner. For example, when someone says, "He drinks only in measure," it means he drinks alcohol but always responsibly and never too much. The phrase has a classical root, often used in the context of ancient poetry and music, where measure referred to the rhythm or the flow of the verses or tunes. Over time, it came to be associated with the broader sense of balance and proportion in various aspects of life. Understanding where phrases come from can help us appreciate their use in modern language and remind us that the English we speak today is rich with history. Now let's put our phrase into action. Here are a few examples of how in measure can be used in everyday English. She always contributes her opinions in measure, never dominating the conversation. To maintain a healthy lifestyle, it's important to exercise in measure and not overdo it. He is a man who enjoys his wealth in measure, without splurging. Using in measure in your sentences shows that you understand the importance of balance and that you can express this concept gracefully in English. Interestingly, in measure can also be found in proverbs and sayings. It conveys wisdom about moderation that many cultures value. A famous saying that reflects this concept is, "Everything in measure," which means that moderation is advisable in all things. This saying can serve as a guideline for a balanced approach to various experiences in life, from eating and drinking to work and play. That wraps up our lesson on the phrase, in measure. I hope this video has been informative and that you're now more comfortable using this phrase in your daily English. Remember, practicing new phrases and idioms is key to mastering a language, so try using in measure in your next conversation or writing practice. Until next time, keep learning and keep practicing. See you in the next video.